A very sweet good morning, dear children. Welcome in GK class. Children, today we are going to do 3 chapters. Chapter number 14, Scientific Instrument. Chapter number 15, Importance of Science. And chapter number 17, Water, the Essence of Life. So children, today we'll do 3 chapters. At first we'll do chapter number 14, Scientific Instrument. So let's start, children. So children, this is chapter number 14, Scientific Instrument. You know children, scientists have divided many instruments for different purposes. So in this chapter, we'll learn about few scientific instruments. So let's start reading. At first, number 1, on the basis of these clues, you have to write the name of the scientific instruments. Instrument used for recording unusual electrical fluctuations of the heart. Children, this is ECG, electrocardiogram. And what is ECG? ECG is a simple test that can be used to check your heart. Okay? Abnormally fast है या abnormally slow है तो उसको check करने के लिए ECG का use किया जाता है. Means heart rate को. Okay? A doctor recommend an ECG for people who may be at risk of heart disease, in cases like people who smoke, are overweight, or high blood pressure, or high cholesterol, diabetes, chest pain. इन सब condition में doctor recommend करते हैं ECG के लिए. So what is this? You can see this instrument. This is ECG. You can write here ECG, or you can also write electrocardiogram. Okay. So next, just see. This is voltmeter, instrument used for measuring electrical current. This is voltmeter. So you have to write right. This is voltmeter. मतलब electrical current को measure करने के लिए, right? As the net rate of flow of electric charge, right? So this is voltmeter. Next, instrument used for viewing small object, okay, by magnifying them. This is microscope. So you have to write here microscope. Okay, means instrument that magnifies object in size so as to enable the naked eye to see things clearly, right? Means forensic evidences होते हैं उनके लिए भी माइक्रोस्कोप का यूज किया जाता है. Okay, so this is microscope. Next is number 4, instrument used for measuring earthquake intensity. What is intensity? It's a quality of being very strong, or you can say extreme degree of strength, force, energy, or feeling. Okay, so instrument used for measuring earthquake intensity. Okay, what is this? Seismograph. Okay, many of the times you heard about कि earthquake की intensity क्या थी. So this instrument tell about the intensity of earthquake. So next is instrument used for hearing heartbeat. Okay, it's a medical instrument. You can say this instrument, medical instrument used in listening to sounds produced within the body, mainly in the heart or lungs, you can say. Okay, so this is stethoscope. Right, next. This is instrument used for viewing object at greater distance. Okay, this is telescope. So you can see this is telescope. So you have to write here telescope. Okay, and amazing, fantastic, and beautiful things you can observe in a telescope. Right. So next is CT scan is an instrument that x-rays the whole body. CT scan, अगर हमें CT scan करवाना है, it means हमारा body का x-ray हो रहा है. Okay, x-ray means create pictures of the inside of our body. Okay, so next you can see here, an instrument used for relative density of milk is called lactometer. Density क्या होता है? It's a measure of mass per unit of volume. Okay, so instrument used for relative density of milk is called lactometer. Okay children, so you have to do this chapter number 14. This chapter can come in this way, one word answer. Okay, or blanks. In this form this chapter can come. Now we are going to do chapter number 15, importance of signs. Okay, name the following signs and symbols with the help of the help box. But in exam, in paper, you will not get the help box. You have to do it yourself. Okay children, so let's start. Okay, so first sign you can see, this sign means, at first I'm telling you what is the importance of signs. You know, signs and symbols are very important because they convey the message without saying a word. Okay, this is most important element of any language. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first is, it is indicating, it is also written here, do not enter. So you have to write, do not enter. Next, switch off mobile phones, very simple. Okay, switch off mobile phone. Next is, you can see, this is high voltage. Okay, high voltage that carries high risk of injury, isn't it? So you have to write high voltage. Next, you can see this. Okay, flammable material means the material burn quickly. Okay, so this is flammable material. Right, next, no smoking. Smoking is not good for health. No smoking. Right, next, danger. You have to write here, danger. Danger or risk. Risk is here. Okay, if any sign you can see this type of sign, it means danger. You can see this sign. Okay, next sign, hazard. Hazard means danger, risk, in the same way, right? Next, no pedestrians. Okay, pedestrian means a person walking on a road or pavement. Okay, so wherever you will see this sign, it means no pedestrians. So you have to write no right. So next, this symbol shows first aid facility available. Here you can see. So what is the meaning of first aid? First aid means help given to a sick person or injured person. Okay, until full medical treatment is available. So wherever you will see this sign, it means, it indicates that first aid help is available. First aid facility is available. Okay children, so now you have to do this chapter. This chapter can come in this way. Pictures will be shown and you have to write in front of that, okay, the mean. Okay, so next chapter number 16. Water, the essence. Water, the essence of life. Essence means very important. Okay, most important. So first is, in fact, water is life. Water science is an interesting subject. Okay, so let's read the question and just put a tick on the correct answer. This chapter can come in this way: MCQs, one word answer, fill-ups. Okay, so first is, what is the freezing point of water? What is the freezing point? So this is 0 degree. Okay, so freezing point, that is 0 degree. What is the boiling point? कौन से point पे water boil होता है? That is 100 degree Celsius. Okay. Water is solid, form is known as. Water की जो solid form है, you can see in your refrigerators also, that is ice. Water at room temperature is a liquid. Room temperature पे liquid होता है. Okay. Water that is suitable for drinking is known as potable water. That is potable water. Conversion of water into water vapor is known as vaporization. Okay. Conversion of water into water vapors. Vaporization. Okay. Next is, which chemical is added to drinking water to kill germs that cause illness? वाटर में अगर जर्म्स हैं तो उसको किल करने के लिए कौन सा केमिकल यूज किया जाता है? दैट इज क्लोरीन. सो यू हैव टू पुट अ टिक ऑन क्लोरीन. स्टीम इज विच फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर? स्टीम इज गैस, isn't it? You have studied in science also. Okay. Last is, it is opposite of evaporation. It takes place when water vapors in the air condense from a gas back into a liquid form. जो वो वापस liquid form में आ जाता है vapor से. Okay. Condense from a gas back into a liquid form, that is condensation. So put a tick on condensation. Okay, children. You know, children, roughly 70% of an adult's body is made up of water. So the water is essence of life, means water is life. Okay, children. So children, today you have to do chapter number 14, 15 and 16 in the book, and you have to learn also. Okay, children. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.